So yeah, guys, it's going to be a fantastic live stream. We got some news to cover. We've got some exciting developments to come out, and yeah, so we're going to dive into the content. We're going to cover the news. We are absolutely going to talk about the Wyckoff patent. Could this be the biggest manipulation in the history of cryptocurrency? Could we see that the big fish, the big whales, and big institutions have manipulated Dogecoin? So we're going to talk about all of that. We got Vikram in the house. Welcome, Vikram. Welcome. So glad that you're here. So yeah, let's jump in right now. We got 13 people in the house. Please smash the likes, guys. It's important that you guys smash the likes, and then that tells the YouTube algorithm that you like this content. And if you like this content, they're going to push it out to more and more people. All right, guys. So let's take a look at the markets. Let's take a look at where we are right now. So right now you can see, hey, we got Kira. Good news coming from Georgia. Hey, welcome, Kira. Appreciate it. Smash the likes, guys. So let's take a look at the crypto market overview. Excuse me, I got a frog in my voice. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Got a frog in my voice. Ribbit, ribbit. Guys, how's the audio? Is the audio okay out there? Kira, Vikram, is the audio okay? Let me know if the audio is okay. Appreciate it. So right now, if we look at the total crypto markets, the total market cap right now is a 1.32 trillion, and it's slightly down about 2.55% compared to the last 24 hours. So the volume is slow right now. The volume is down 23%, and that's 805 billion. So some good news is that we see our Bitcoin dominance is going down. So that's really good news. We really need the Bitcoin dominance to go down. So if you guys are wondering what the Bitcoin dominance is, it's basically the total amount of the market cap that is Bitcoin. So if you look at 100% of the market cap, so right now 46% of the total market cap is contained or is proportion to Bitcoin. So what we need to do, so this is saying that 46% of all the capital, all the liquidity in the market right now is in Bitcoin. So we need this to come down. Why do we need this to come down? Because then it is telling us that people are moving out of Bitcoin and moving into the altcoins. So we really need that to happen before we can see the altcoins actually moving. So you guys kind of understand the Bitcoin dominance, because a lot of people, they don't understand it, and they're always asking, what is Bitcoin dominance? So basically, Bitcoin dominance is the total proportion of Bitcoin in the total market cap compared to the altcoins. All right, guys? So hopefully you guys understand that, and that's pretty clear now. So if that's pretty clear, give me a thumbs up that you guys now understand what the Bitcoin dominance is, guys. So woohoo, Doge in the house. Just adjusting my second monitor for so I can get a better view of the chats and everything. All right. So hopefully it's pretty clear. And yeah. So let me just give a big shout out to some of the people in the house right now. We got Vikram in the house. Where are you from, Vikram? We got Kara Hanley from Georgia. Welcome to Georgia. We got Remax Mark. He's asking when we'll see Dogecoin at 50 cents. I think that could be in July. Woof woof incoming. We got David. We've got KL Smith from Gallup, New Mexico. Frog in my throat, guys. Need to get some Coke. All right, we got Danny Cortez from Nicaragua. Welcome, Nicaragua, South America. Appreciate it. And we got Daniel Talava in the house. Woohoo, guys! If I say your names wrong, don't beat me up. So let's get into it. So let's take a look at right now the total gainers versus losers. So we have 39% of the crypto markets are crypto coins are in positive territory, and 61% in negative territory. So let's look at the market movers. So this is the top market mover is Anchor Network, and it's up 27%, and VTO is up. QNT. So look, guys, see Doge is still in the top coins that are up today. So Doge is trading at 22.5, and that's up 11%. So if you look right here, guys, 39% are in green, 61% are in red. So my Doge, woof woof, Doge in the house is absolutely in the green. So that's good news, guys. So you guys should be excited about that. I'm excited about that. But we really need to see this Bitcoin dominance to come down, because I'm not happy about this. We really need to see it come down, and if it comes down, then we're going to see that the altcoins are absolutely going to explode and move. So that's really important. We really need to see that happen, guys. Guys, smash the likes. Don't forget, super chats are always appreciated, and we will absolutely appreciate any super chats. Remember, all the super chats that you give to the channel go to charity, and they go to support poor kids and orphans. And we're going to be doing a charity video once we hit our target, and we're trying to raise $2,500 for the kids right now. So once we hit that, then we'll be doing a video. So let's look at the overall markets, and then we'll dive into some Dogecoin stuff. So right now we're seeing that BTC has gone down 3.53%. ETH is down 4.62%, and that's at $1,912, guys. So BNB is coming back up a little bit. It's now at $285, and that's up about 1%. ADA is down 1.13%, and that's $1.22. My Doge is gone down a little bit. It's at 9.35%, and that's at 22.5. So yeah, guys, it's kind of a mixed bag today. Like I said, we have about 69% of. You didn't get a notification, Edward? Yeah, you see, sometimes it seems that sometimes YouTube doesn't send notifications. So if you guys are a subscriber, the best thing to do is turn off the notification, and then turn the notification back on, because it seems that, I don't know what's happening, but recently a lot of my subscribers are not getting notified of my new videos, not getting notified of me going live. So I don't know what's going on. It's kind of bizarre, guys, and that's why I'm seeing that the views on my videos are going down. It just seems that people are not getting notified. So if you're not getting notified, turn off the notification bell and then turn it back on again. So that's all I can say. Hopefully that fixes the problem. But yeah, there's a lot of us in the space right now, in the crypto space, and it seems that our videos are not getting pushed out, and or some channels are being more selective than others. So, I don't know why that's happening, guys. I have no idea. Maybe YouTube doesn't like the OG. Maybe YouTube doesn't like the Daryl anymore. I don't know. It could be something as simple as that. But it's really weird, guys. So there are times when the notifications go on, sometimes when it doesn't. I have no idea. So once again, guys, if you guys are not getting notifications, then the best thing to do is turn off the notification bell and then turn it back on. And then if that doesn't work, then another thing you can do is unsubscribe, then subscribe again, and then turn on the notification bell. Like kind of do it like that. That might just work. Yeah. So yeah, and then if you install the YouTube app in your phone, turn on notifications, and then you'll get notified. And then if you're using iPhone, you need to go privacy settings and then allow all notifications from YouTube. That's also another reason why you might not be getting it. All right, guys. So you can see, Doge is still positive. Like I said, not to repeat myself, but for people that just came late to the party. So you can see that, we have 29% are winners, 71% are losers, and Doge is definitely in the winning circle, and we're up 9.24%. So that's good news, guys, overall. So I wouldn't be too panicky. And so some other positive news out is Rollbit, an exciting cryptocurrency trading platform, is offering 1,000 leverage. And they've just added Dogecoin. They've just added Dogecoin and Litecoin to their platform. So that's really good news, guys. So you can now have Dogecoin, and that's good news. So this is another platform that's now allowing Doge. So that just goes to show there's a lot more adaptability of Doge out there. So this is really cool, guys. So I'm pretty excited. You should be excited. And remember that none of the content in this video is financial advice. This is just me expressing my opinions. So just make sure you guys are aware of that, because I don't want people, buying and selling and then saying, "Oh, look, Daryl said this, Daryl said that." You guys have to do all your own risk management. That's really important. Okay, guys. So do your own research, do your own homework, and then you'll be just fine. So let's jump in. Let's jump into the Doge chart and let's see where we're at. So this is my Doge chart. This is on the 4-hour time frame, guys. Hopefully you can see it. And you can see that you see the green triangles. This means that it's a buying indicator, and the red triangles show that it's a selling indicator. So right now, good news is we smashed above the 22 cent. So 22 cents has formed a significant support level right now. We went as low as almost 16 cents, just above 16 cents when we had this crash that happened. And we're going to talk about what I think is probably one of the biggest crypto manipulations in the history of this market. So we're going to talk about that, and I think that you're going to see and understand why there's manipulation happening and where do we go from here. So right now, as you can see, we're trading around about 22.6, and then we have a pretty big resistance level at 25 cents. So we really need to blow past the 25 cents. Let me blow that up for you guys. So hopefully you guys can see that. Let me just adjust that here. Yeah. So we have a resistance level at around about 25 cents. So we're getting pretty close to that. We need to blow past that. And then for that resistance level to become support, we need to have a confirmed breakout for at least 24 hours. So you guys understand that, right? So for a resistance level to become support, or go from red to green, we need to have it blow past the 25 cents and stay above for at least 24 hours. And then that resistance level will be support. So these are all my resistance levels here. Then we have another resistance level at 28 cents. Let me just turn that red, so that indicates resistance. Then we have another resistance level here at around about 31 cents. So those are our targets. Where do I see us going? I mean, I think we're gonna get some big news from Elon Musk on the 28th. I think something major is going to happen, and I think that there's going to be some interesting news coming from Elon Musk. So the other thing is, as you guys know, that Ross Nicholas yesterday he completed the hey Troy, welcome. Ross Nicholas, he completed the test of the new fee structure and the speed. So hopefully, hey Brian, welcome brother. We got Troy in the house. Sorry, I missed the show tonight. I was on a walk with my son and dog. No problem, buddy. Appreciate it. Hey, Ambassador, did I miss something? What happens on the 28th? Guys, so let me just reiterate. So I think we're going to have a huge announcement on the 28th, guys. And that's Elon Musk's birthday. And he's been pretty quiet. So I really believe that on the 28th, we're definitely going to get the Tesla announcement regarding Doge. If not the Tesla announcement, I think we're going to get the announcement that Tesla's going to start accepting Bitcoin again. So it's going to be one of the two, but I really believe that we're going to have something positive coming out. And Ross Nickel, he's completed the test of the new fee structure and the new transaction speed. So that's pretty positive. So I think we're going to get confirmation from Ross soon, and confirmation when that's going to go live. So I think this is really an important improvement. Once we have reduced transaction fees and increased speed, this is going to definitely increase the utility of Doge. And then this will be able to have more retailers and merchants pick it up, and more people would be using Doge as a transaction. Just I'm going to wet my throat. Well, that's really cool news, guys, so I'm pretty excited. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index right now. Take a look at the fear and greed index. So yesterday, Yesterday morning, Asia time, the fear and greed index was 10. And then yesterday evening, afternoon, moved up to 14. So now we're sitting at 22. So yesterday when we hit 10, that kind of indicated that we hit bottom, right? And I talked about that in a number of my videos, that I believe that we have hit bottom. Guys, come on, guys, wake up, smash the likes. We got 104 people watching, and I got 50 people liked it only. Come on, guys, do the math. 1 + 1 = 2. Guys, smash the likes. I ain't saying another word to you guys. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. Come on, guys, smash the likes. My moderators, Troy, Dustin, get these guys to start smashing the likes. I appreciate it. Come on, guys, smash the likes. I appreciate it. Okay. So as I was talking about yesterday, not to repeat myself, guys, don't forget, any super chats are appreciated. Any super chats, support the channel. All the super chats go to charity to help the orphan kids and the poor kids in Vietnam. We will be doing a charity video, so you will see us giving the super chat donations to the kids, okay? And this is really important. This is something dear to my heart. In Vietnam, as you know, the whole world's been struck by COVID, and there's a lot of kids, a lot of families that don't have any. Their incomes come down, and kids are going hungry. So we are supporting the poor kids, and we're doing a charity drive for them, and hopefully we can help some poor families and the orphans to hopefully, make their lives a little better for a short period of time. So once again, yesterday we had the fear and greed index here. It was down at 10. And then yesterday afternoon, it went up to 14. And now we're at 22. So 10 indicated we hit the bottom. 14, now 22. So definitely, as we get more and more into the green area, you're going to start to see prices soar. So, we've gone from 10 to 14 to 22. So the fear is going down. And this is really good because, a lot of the altcoin prices are driven by retail. So, you can see, hey, thank you. Thanks for that. Doge to the moon, guys. So, what's the PT estimate of end of year? So, my price estimate for the end of year, definitely we're going to hit $1, guys. Definitely we're going to be hitting $1. Hey, Neo Crims, thanks very much for the super chat. Thank you, Doge to the moon. Definitely we're going to hit $1 by the end of the year. And yeah, I just want to keep the community positive. I'm trying my best to, keep people positive. And the thing is, anytime I receive any donations, I want to give it to the kids, guys. This is really important. So this is really important. Brian, thank you. Where do you see the crypto market in a month? We're going to talk about one of the biggest manipulations. We're going to talk about the Wyckoff patent. I think right now we can see that the crypto markets, I can see a $45,000, $50,000 Bitcoin coming in. I think that Doge is definitely going to be in the 50, 60 range by mid-July. I think by the end of June, we've only got a couple of days. So by the end of the month, I think that Bitcoin will be in 40. I think Bitcoin should be at 50 by the end of July. And I see $135,000 Bitcoin coming in by the end of the year. Definitely see a $1 to $1.50 Doge coming in at the end of the year. That's for sure. I'm pretty confident of that, guys. I'm pretty confident. Once again, thank you for all the super chats. I really appreciate that. Every single super chat that I receive will be going to the kids in Vietnam to help the orphans and the poor kids and the families who basically don't have enough ends meet to feed the kids because of the COVID here. Guys, so yeah, thanks very much. So, I really believe if we look at the fear and greed index, this is definitely coming up. I believe that we're definitely going to be seeing Bitcoin and the altcoins move up. So as this fear and greed index goes up, you're going to see, as I was saying before, that you're going to start to see money move out of Bitcoin and move back into the altcoins. Hey, Ambassador, thank you, brother. When my Doge hits, I will send a big kofi. Hey, thank you, brother. I appreciate that, Ambassador, for that super chat. So once the fear and greed index goes up, then you'll see more and more Bitcoin will flow out into the altcoins, because the altcoins are pretty much driven by retail. All right, guys, so that's really important. And then there was another news article that came out. Doge ain't dead yet. Price rises 20% after weeks of struggle. So this is really good news. So, hey, thank you, Carlos. Thank you very much for that super chat. So you're starting to see that we're going to see some more positive news coming out surrounding Dogecoin. I mean, a lot of people were saying, Dogecoin is out. Look at the meme coin. It's a scam. It's a joke. It's a Ponzi. A lot of people have been saying that. And, there's been a lot of negative FUD that's been really generated, been generated not only around Doge, but all the whole crypto space. And we're going to see and understand why that's happening. So you're saying, hey, Troy, thank you, brother. Hey, Troy, thank you, brother. I really appreciate that. Guys, just to let you know that, Troy, Troy Hurd, he's, one of my huge members and, a moderator. His family's battling with cancer. So, guys, show some love to Troy. Show some support. And, when you guys go to sleep tonight, say a prayer for Troy's family. They're battling with cancer. And, cancer, it's a nasty thing. I had my sister-in-law. She was, Olympic karate champion. And 35, she got leukemia. And within 12 months, she died. It was so sad. She wasn't married. Didn't have kids. Super athlete. And 35, and she died of cancer. And it's just sad. I mean, when I think about it, I'm going to bubble up, start crying. Don't get me crying on the live stream, guys. She was a beautiful woman. And, and I remember, the only thing she wanted to do was to live past her next birthday. And she did. And then 24 hours later, she passed away. So it was a struggle, and cancer sucks. Dustin Quinn, thank you for that super chat. Thanks. And Dustin says, thank you for being you and bringing positivity to the world and the Dogecoin community. We love you. I love you too, brother. So so guys, send your love to Troy. He really needs it. And I'm going to start crying in a second. So sorry. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My bad. But cancer sucks. So getting back to, we're seeing a lot of positive news right now coming out of the crypto space. So this is really going to be, a catalyst for, the crypto space going up. So I'm excited. And, if we go to the Aurochs terminal and we check out all the news, you guys are going to see that we're seeing a lot more positive news coming in. 36 billion in vanishes from a hack. So we had a hack. I think I talked about that. So we got Bitcoin ATM. So this is a new article that's coming out. So Chain Bytes bringing Bitcoin ATMs to El Salvador manufacturing hub. So you're going to see in El Salvador a whole ton of Bitcoin machines, and this is really good, guys. Because as you know, El Salvador, they've accepted Bitcoin as legal tender. So this is fantastic. Keep in mind that El Salvador is very much a poor country. A lot of people don't have access to bank accounts and credit cards like we do in the West. Sometimes we forget, we just go online, we book a ticket, airline ticket, we book a hotel. And it's so easy, right, guys? But a lot of the developing world in Africa and in South America, and all my South America brothers online, love you guys. But this is really going to help because the ability for people to use cryptocurrency to buy things is going to be really important, and that's why I believe that Dogecoin is the people's currency. And I believe that Dogecoin, with its high speed and slow transaction fees, that Dogecoin absolutely can be the currency for developing countries. Because it's, just imagine, guys, you go to, you're driving to work, and you look at, you say, oh, geez, I got to stop and get some gas for my car, right? And then you go to the gas station, you pump your gas, and then you say, I'm going to get a coffee for the ride to work, right? So you go in and you take your wallet and you scan it. But if you're using Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin, the fees are expensive. And sometimes, Bitcoin can be really slow, right? I know we got Bitcoin Cash that's fast. And Ethereum, the fees are cuckoo, right? So what better currency to do, small transactions than Dogecoin? I mean, I could definitely go to a convenience store and buy a coffee with Doge. I'm okay with that because the fees are low. I'm not going to have to wait 20 minutes or 15 minutes until the network clears my transaction, right? So that's why Dogecoin is a perfect solution for developing countries and poorer countries to have as a form of payment. So that's why I'm so excited. So we've got El Salvador launching ATMs. So Chain Bytes will bring Bitcoin ATMs to El Salvador. It's going to be fantastic. And that means there's going to be more mainstream adoption in El Salvador. And all these countries that allow Bitcoin to be legal tender, there's going to be Bitcoin ATMs. And, Mr. Joe Public is going to be able to access, and Mr. Joe Public is going to be able to have access to cryptocurrency. So this is going to be like the internet revolution, guys. It's just a matter of time. This is a financial revolution, a financial change. This is a game changer. It's like the internet. Remember, when internet first came out, people saying, oh, it's not going to do anything and blah, 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 blah. But look at the internet now. Can you imagine not having internet? Can you imagine not having access to Google or DuckDuckGo? And life would just be, crazy, right? It'd be like living on a mountain. So that's why I'm so excited. Dogecoin, not only does it has utility, we've got the recent transaction fees are coming down, the speed is going up, and I believe that this is going to be the cryptocurrency. It's going to be the cryptocurrency that's going to be adopted by a lot of the developing world. And once we have smart contracts enabled and all this stuff, it's going to be absolutely, absolutely fantastic. So, this is just the beginning, guys. So you guys should be really pumped up. Woohoo, Dogecoin to the moon. I'm pumped. I'm psyched, So, yeah. Dustin says, I'll be in Vietnam in December. Let me know where to fly into. Big D, I'm excited to see how beautiful. Yeah, sure. I'll let you know. I move between Da Nang and Ho Chi Minh. So let me know, guys. Anybody come to Vietnam, send me a message. We'll definitely hook up, and I'll show you the sites and stuff. So that's going to be really fantastic. Let's check out some more news. So we've got the Chain Bytes. JP Morgan survey, international investors agree cryptocurrency is it's rat poison, as warned. Yeah, you see, one of the reasons that we're seeing Bitcoin go down again, because we're seeing some more FUD coming out. JP Morgan survey, 49% institutional investors agree cryptocurrency is rat poison, as Warren Buffett says, or a fad. Come on, guys. I mean, you guys believe this garbage? I mean, this is just, JP Morgan spreading more FUD. I mean, I always tell you guys that JP Morgan, they are the masters of disaster, the kings of FUD. I mean, can you believe this? Hello? I mean, it's hugely stupid, right, guys? What a stupid article. Yeah, 49% of institutional investors agree. Okay, good. So those 49% of the institutions don't buy cryptocurrency, no problems. But people like Michael Sayer, MicroStrategy, these are my, crypto kings, my crypto maximalists. Let them buy all the Dogecoin. Let them buy all the Dogecoin, the Bitcoin, and we'll forget about these guys. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm not even going to touch that. It just, It's stinky. It's a bad. Let's see what else we got. 3 things traders are saying about Bitcoin and the state of the bull market. So, yeah, we got some mixed news and positive news, but overall, I see the market's definitely going to go up, and so let's jump into this whole what I consider one of the biggest manipulations out there, and this is this whole Wyckoff pattern manipulation. So let's talk about that. Let me pull the article up for you. I think it is right here. So Bitcoin bounce from 28K activates century-old financial model and a bullish thesis. So right now we can see that in recent upswing in the Bitcoin price, we can see that the recent upswing in Bitcoin price following the nail-biting crash below to 30,000 has activated a classic financial model's bullish outlook on cryptocurrency called the Wyckoff method. Okay, guys, called the Wyckoff method. And this was created by Richard Wyckoff in 1888. So this is not a new model, guys. This is absolutely not a new model. So the model, it attempts to navigate financial market trends based on the relationship between the supply and demand of assets. The methods have two measures, accumulation and distribution, right? Accumulation phase is when it goes down, and distribution is when it goes up, okay? So this is important because this is really telling, and this will really explain the biggest manipulation in the crypto markets in the history. So in the accumulation setup, an asset signals bottoming out following a sharper price decline. It eventually leads to the price rebounding to the upside. Meanwhile, the distribution setup sees the asset topping out after a solid price moves uphill, after that price reverses in the direction to the downside. So if you look at that, the distribution is exactly what we just had. We had Bitcoin going up to 63,000, right? Distribution setting up sees the assets topping after a solid price moves uphill. After that, the price reverses in direction to the downward side. So that's exactly what happened with Bitcoin. So, and then it says, each setup has 5 unique phases. For example, the distribution, an asset goes through the following events and crosses the said phases to preliminary side, blah, blah, blah. So you can see that we had this run up to phase A, then we had this phase E. And okay, you guys, this is going to blow your mind, okay? This is going to blow your mind. Now look at this. Now this is that Wyckoff pattern. And what I did is this is the Bitcoin chart. So I overlaid the Bitcoin chart on this Wyckoff pattern. And you can see that it is almost identical. Guys, can you see that? That this pattern, the candles here, this is the Bitcoin chart. This is the actual Bitcoin chart, guys. And the Bitcoin chart is overlaid on the Wyckoff pattern. And I don't know about you guys, but it looks almost exactly like the Wyckoff pattern. So as you can see, we went all the way down from our highs of 63,000. We went up and down. This was that recent crash. And now we're going back up again. So it perfectly matches. And remember, the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, this is not a natural thing. This is what traders and institutions have been using to short squeeze, to leverage, to basically steal money from the retail investors. And this is a very old manipulation pattern that we've seen for years and years. The JP Morgans and all of the big banks and institutions have been using this for a long time. So this is really amazing, right? So meanwhile, the accumulation schema assets logs the following events across. So you can see that we are matching this pattern exactly the same. So this means, and this indicates that the markets are in pure manipulation mode. We've hit bottom. So what happens now is we're moving on the upside. Yeah, we might have a little bit of ups and downs, but at the end of the day, it seems like the big institutions are moving up. So Wyckoff confirms Bitcoin accumulation. So if we comparing, so we're right here, guys. So comparing the Bitcoin recent price action and events presented in the Wyckoff accumulations, it appears that cryptocurrency is grappling with this last point of phase C. So right now, according to where the charts are, we're in phase C, which is here. So we're in phase C. So what that means is that we're going to have we should start to see a big run up, and we should start to see 135,000 Bitcoin coming. Guys, we had 236 people watching this live stream and 123 likes and 1 dislike. Gotta love the haters. Can you guys please smash the likes? All right, I ain't saying another thing. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes right now. Right now. Smash it. I need to see 200 likes in the house. 200 likes in the house. Okay? This is important stuff, guys. This is important stuff. Okay? This is important stuff, guys. Later this article, I will paste it in the description of the video. So later after the live stream, you guys can check back, okay? And I'll paste it for you so you can check it out. I'll also paste the overlay too. So you guys need to smash the likes. Okay, guys? So let me continue. Guys, don't forget the super chats, okay? Support the kids. Support the hungry kids in Vietnam. Come on. Those of you who's sitting in America, in the West, and, come on. We got kids starving in Vietnam, and we got to help them. Okay. So basically, we're in phase C now. You can see this is the Wyckoff pattern, right? You can see exactly forming the same, and now we're right here. So we should be seeing $135,000 Bitcoin incoming by the end of the year. And you know what that means is if we see 135,000 Bitcoin, it means that Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Okay? So you guys can feel it. Smash the likes, guys. Smash it. Okay. So we can see that phase A in the chart above, shows the exhaustion in the previous downside momentum at the second test between 28 and 30,000. So right here, right? And selling climax approximately 34K levels. Up to this point, the supply was dormant as per the Wyckoff method. Right here, guys. Here we are. So what that means is, it means that phase D and phase E reflects an all-in recovery and run towards 60,000, guys. So if we follow the Wyckoff pattern, it means in similar terms of the Wyckoff method, this 28.8 lower low is very similar to the 65K higher high. Both case a maximum emotional effect in market. So guys, we're going back up. Bitcoin is definitely going back up to 60K. So you can see, once again, I'm not making this stuff up, guys. This is not, Daryl just making stuff up. This is the Wyckoff pattern. This is the Bitcoin chart overlaid. And guys, does this look the same or not? Does it look the same? It looks pretty darn close to me, guys. It looks pretty darn close to me. What do you guys think? All right? Guys, let's do it. So we can see that, also if you look at the Dogecoin pattern, it's also pretty much following the same kind of pattern. So definitely there's going to be a breakout coming soon. We can see, definitely we'll be seeing $60,000 Bitcoin coming in soon. This is guaranteed. All right, guys? So, meanwhile, Bloomberg's intelligence sensor community strategist Mike McClone, a bet not referring to Wyckoff method, noted that the repeated bullish rejections near 30,000 are similar to the Bitcoin bounce from 4,000 in 2000. So you can see that this is a very similar pattern that we had in 2020. So we're going to see a huge run up, guys. So is that not pure and simple evidence of manipulation of the markets, guys? So guys, I can't say any more than, the markets have been manipulated. And this is pretty clear evidence when you look at this, when you look at this, and you look at the overlay. So definitely, I believe that we've hit bottom. Like I said, if we look at my fear and greed index here, yesterday morning at this time we hit bottom. The fear and greed index was 10. I went up to 14 hour and 22, and this corresponds exactly with my Wyckoff pattern. So definitely $60,000 Bitcoin incoming soon, guys. This is going to be fantastic, guys. Smash the likes. I really appreciate it. Smash the like, guys. Any more super chats out there? Is there any more super chats out there? I would appreciate it, guys. Yeah. So that's basically it for me in terms of the news. Looking at the cryptocurrency charts and stuff. Let's take a quick look and see where Doge is right now. So Doge is still at 22.3 cents, and Doge is still in positive territory. So it's still looking pretty good. Overall, let's take a look at where Bitcoin is still pretty much. It's going down, it's going up, but Doge is holding its own. So guys, whoever called Doge a joke coin, whoever called Dogecoin a Ponzi scheme, get out of there. Doge is there. We're at number 6, guys. We're in positive territory. So this is fantastic. Guys, definitely if we look at the Wyckoff pattern, we're definitely going to be having a breakout really soon, guys. So guys, please support the channel. Send us some love. Send us a super chat. And yeah, so let's get into some Q&A right now. So we got 250 people in the house. 250 people in the house. All right, guys. So smash the likes. Let's see if we can get the likes up to 200. Else I'm going to start singing and I won't start talking. Okay. All right. I love it. So, guys, any more super chats out there? Guys, 250 people now. Smash the likes. Let's get the likes up to 200. Get the likes. Let's get the likes up to 200. Else I'm going to start singing. So, yeah, guys, we need the Bitcoin dominance to go down if the altcoins are going to move up, okay? So, for those of you who does not know what Bitcoin dominance is, Bitcoin dominance is the measure of the total market cap and what portion of that market cap is Bitcoin versus the altcoins. That's simply what that means. And if the Bitcoin dominance is high, this is not good for the altcoins, guys. If the Bitcoin dominance is high, it's not good for the altcoins because it means that more people have put their money in Bitcoin and not in altcoins. And we all know, like I said earlier in the stream, is that the altcoins are driven more by retail investors than institutions. So we really need the Bitcoin dominance to go down. All right, because you're seeing major institutions buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, but a lot of the other altcoins are primarily held by retail investors like you and me. Okay, guys? So smash the likes, guys. I need 9 more likes to get to 200. Okay? 9 more likes to get to 200. All right? Okay? So we've all talked about, there's been some FUD about Chinese miners, China kicking out the miners. This is actually a good thing. We've seen the hash rates go down, but that's okay because even though the hash rates goes down, the other remaining miners will actually pick up the slack. And remember, when the difficulty goes down, it's actually better for the miners because the miners make more money. So, before we had 65% of all the mining was done out of China. So we really want Bitcoin to be decentralized, right? So if you're having 65% of all the miners in China, that's kind of scary because that kind of that kind of smells like centralization. So in fact, having the miners kicked out of China and looking for a new home in Miami or Texas or El Salvador or Iceland, this is a good thing for crypto, guys, because it means that Bitcoin will be more decentralized. Okay, so this is a good thing. Woohoo! Guys, we got 214 likes. I love it. I got three haters. I got 3 people who thumbs down in this live stream. I love it. Okay. I'm just trying to spread the word, share the message, and let you guys know what's going on. All right. So let's jump into Q&A. So I'm going to be looking to the left because I have my other monitor, and that's where I can see all the questions. All right. So any super chats? Troy Hurd just asked, it will dip then blast off the Bitcoin in yeah. We may see a little bit of a dip before we have another blast off, guys. But you know, this is in line with this Wyckoff pattern, right? So we may see a little bit of a dip. Okay, hopefully that okay. So we may see a little bit of a dip, but we're definitely taking off 60K, 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 67K Bitcoin incoming. And when that happens, definitely we could be seeing Dogecoin 70 cents, 80 cents, $1 anytime. All right. Okay, guys. So any more super chats out there? Any more questions? Guys, this is the time to ask a question. This is Q&A time. Q&A time. Okay, this is Big D, the OG in the house. This is the Q&A time. Woohoo, guys. Q&A. So Australian Pride, Crypto Tech, you sir are very wrong and lack of knowledge. Okay. All right. Okay, good. So Crypto Australian Pride, okay. So Omar, Bitcoin goes up, so will Dogecoin. Absolutely, guys. Dogecoin will go up if Bitcoin goes up. That's a fact. And we'll see all the altcoins go up as well, guys. Absolutely, that's going to happen. So we really need Bitcoin to start going up. And if we look at this Wyckoff pattern distribution, it looks like we're definitely moving out of phase C, and we should be moving to phase D soon, and phase D and phase E, which means rocket ride time, guys. I don't know much about AMP. I haven't really looked at AMP. I'm going to be looking at it. It seems like it's going places, but I don't invest in any cryptocurrencies that are younger than 2 years. It's just a rule that I've always lived by, and it's something that I stick to, because you know, a lot of these new projects can be rug pulls, and they can be this and they can be that, right? So I tend to avoid any cryptocurrencies that's younger than 2 years. Just say, Omar Garcia, thank you, brother. Thank you for that super chat. Woohoo! Omar just gave a super chat in the live stream, and all of that money is going to go and help poor kids and orphans here in Vietnam. Like I said to all of you, we will be doing a charity video where we'll be showing us taking all of your money, buying food, buying rice, and buying supplies, and giving that to all the kids. So you're gonna see your super chat money go to good work. So that's how you can support the channel. And what I'm also going to do is any of the funds that you guys give, I'm going to match those funds too. So that way we can get more to the kids that need it, because you know a lot of families have been hit hard by COVID in Vietnam, you know, with all the restrictions, and a lot of families, they're not working, or the incomes have gone way down, and there's a lot of kids that are not eating good. So we just want to try to help some. I mean, we can't help all, you know, because I'm you know, the city I'm in now has about 1.5 million people. But we're gonna try to help as many as we can. You know, like if you go to the parks and stuff here, you've got you know, little kids that are begging for food and money and stuff. So we're just gonna try to give back. So I appreciate that, brother. You know, I appreciate that, Omar, for the $10 super chat. That's definitely going to go to kids. Okay. So let's see. Any more? Corey is asking, bearish or bullish consolidation. I think, you know, and this, you know, this 4-year cycle, we're definitely in a bull run. But something's really weird about this cycle, that in other bull runs, we just went up and up and up and up and up, and then the bull run was over, and then we went down, down, down. It was like crypto winter. But there seems to be micro cycles, and Elliot Trades, another YouTuber, he was also talking about this. There seems to be micro cycles in this bull run, okay? And I believe that these micro cycles or patterns are a result of market manipulation by large institutions and whales following the Wyckoff pattern. So you're seeing that overall, thank you, J-Dogs, woohoo! We're seeing that overall we're in a bull run. But I appreciate that. Trust Justice. Thank you, brother, for the super chat. Woohoo! So we're overall in a bull run, but there seem to be these micro patterns that drop us down. Micro patterns. And this is not ever been seen before. Normally we have a bull run, we go up, we go up, we go up. Then we hit a crypto winter. And for 4 years it's just blah, And then suddenly we have the halving event, and suddenly, boom, we explode again. So this is really bizarre, and that's why we're seeing in this bull run, there's more institutional adoption than ever before. And not only institutions, we're now getting countries who are making Bitcoin legal tender. We have El Salvador, who was the first one, right, guys? We have other countries like Tanzania, Panama, Paraguay, hopefully, and other countries that are going to be adopting. So I really believe that $135,000 Bitcoin is definitely possible. I believe a $1 to $1.50 Dogecoin by the end of this year is absolutely going to happen. I'm so excited. So let's see if there's any more Q&A. So Alan McClure, I predict Dogecoin, Doge 620 at 4:30 DMT, 9/11, and crash at 4:30 the same day to continue the pattern. Okay, so that could be, guys. Excellent. Any more questions out there, guys? I love you guys. We got 173 people watching. It's beautiful. It's totally beautiful. Woo-hoo! Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. I love it. So, Alan McCure is saying, I predict Doge at $6.20 at 4:30 a.m. DMT on 9/11, and a crash at 4:32 a.m. the same day to continue the pattern. I mean, if Doge hits $6.20, I'm going to be making bank, because as I explained in my video yesterday, I bought Dogecoin at 0.0025 cents. I picked up 4 million, cost me about 10,000. And when we hit 71 cents, which was an all-time high, guys, my Doge was worth about 1,972,000. And with this recent crash, my Doge value has at 71 cents, I was worth like 2.8 million. And then with this Doge crash, I lost like 1.9 million. But I didn't lose anything because I didn't sell. So that's why I'm holding on. I'm holding strong, guys, because I really believe that Dogecoin is definitely going to the moon. $1, $2. It could happen this year. I believe it. You should believe it. Let's see. Gibbous saying Texas grocery stores have machines accepting it. They are a big chain. Wow, that's cool. Doge to the moon, guys. So what controls hash rate? It's the amount of miners mining. Absolutely. So, the more miners that we have, the higher the hash rate. But the less miners we have, the lower the hash rate, but the decrease in difficulty. And what that means, if the difficulty goes down, it means that the remaining miners make more Bitcoin. So as you have more miners, the hash rate goes up, the difficulty goes up, which means that people make less Bitcoin, something like that. Okay? I want to get up to 20,000 shares and watch myself become a millionaire. It's going to happen, right? Woohoo! Everything is bigger in Texas. I love it. Guys, we have almost 300 people. 300 people in the live stream. That's amazing. Smash the likes, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, guys. And also check out my links below. become a member, guys. Become a member of the channel. There's lots of perks and this and that. I believe it. See, crypto is saying, I analyze metric data for an investment firm. We follow trends because they are your friend. Thus, SHIB is the next Doge 2.0. Okay. Robert, I want to mine alone. Let's go Doge. Woohoo, go Doge. Corey D, we all have to celebrate in Manhattan with the Doge parade. Yeah. And remember, next year in April, there's going to be that Doge cruise. So I'm going to be on the Doge cruise if the borders in Vietnam open and COVID is finished. Because this COVID thing, I tell you, it's really a pain in the you know what. So I can't wait for COVID to be finished. I can't wait for life to go back to normal. And if people want the life to go back to normal, send a heart mark in the comments right now. Who wants COVID to end? Send a heart mark. Who wants life to go back to normal? Send a heart mark. You know? So, yeah. We just need life to go back to normal, guys. So, guys, any more questions in the super... Any more questions? Guys, we... Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes, guys. Any more questions? Any more super chats out there? Guys, support the channel with super chats. All of the super chats go to the poor and orphan kids in Vietnam. We're going to be doing a video. We're going to be doing a video giving away all of the proceeds to charity. So you'll see where your good money is going to, guys. Super chats. Hit me up with super chats. Support the kids. Normal sucks. I love exceptional lives. I love that. Life never changed for me, brother. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, for me, you know, we've got this third wave, fourth wave here in Vietnam, and everything is kind of locked down. The restaurants are closed, shopping malls are closed, parks are basically closed. You got to wear a mask all the time. It's kind of not good. So hopefully this will recover soon, and we can get back to normal. Okay, woo, guys, this is great stuff. I'm gonna get some cocoa. My voice has been really froggy recently, guys. So if in my live stream I've been sounding kind of weird, it's because I got this frog in my throat. So I remember I was sick at the beginning of the month, and I'm still not 100%. I love it, guys. America is open for business. Troy, I'm glad America's open for business, because right now Vietnam is not open for business. The borders are closed. You can't really go out. You can't go in. It's like what America was in the early days. It's getting bad here. So yeah, woo, guys. Any more questions? Any more super chats, guys? Let's take a look at the markets again. Let's see exactly where we're going. So let's see. Bitcoin is at 32.5. It's a minus 3.79%. Ethereum's gone up a little bit because it was at 1800 at the beginning of the live stream. BNB is at 284, and Doge, it's actually gone up a little bit because when we started the live stream, it went down. Now it's going back up. So every time I do a live stream, Doge goes up. So maybe we just need to keep this live stream open 24/7 so the Doge can go up, guys. So I'm pretty excited. Woo! So it was pretty scary about that Wyckoff pattern, huh? That's pretty scary, yeah? You know, let's take a look at that overlay. So this is the Bitcoin overlay on the Wyckoff pattern. I talked about it before, but it's just so much the same, so similar. I can't believe it. It scares me when I look at that. Someone's asking, do I have Shiba coin? I don't really buy into projects that are younger than 2 years because it kind of scares me. You know. So, yeah. Dustin Quinn, yes, ETH will hit 10K. I believe that ETH could hit 10K. I mean, remember, we went as high as almost 5K, right? Guys, if I remember, before the big dump. So I think 10K is inevitable. It's just a matter of time. I mean, if Bitcoin hits $135,000, a 10K Ethereum is a no-brainer, right? A $1.50, $2 Dogecoin is a no-brainer, right? You know? So we're going to get there, guys. And, you know, all of you guys that had diamond hands and didn't sell when we had that big dump recently down to 16 cents, and you guys still held onto your Dogecoin, what can I say? It's fantastic, right? You guys are doing really, really fantastic, doing fantastico. Everything is good. Let me just power up my PC here. Got my Mac laptop. Power's going down. Okay, there we go. Back on. So, guys, I appreciate it. So, guys, any more super chats out there? Any more questions, guys? 276 people in the house. Woo, smash the likes, guys. We got 277 people on the live stream and 266 likes. So smash the likes. Smash the likes. Let's get the likes up. 281 watching. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. Woo. So, we've got some, I really think that we're going to see a huge announcement from Elon Musk on his birthday. And I believe that he's going to make an announcement. Then it's going to be one or two things. One, I think Elon is going to say that Tesla is going to accept Bitcoin again, because remember he did go and say that if the miners can reduce their fossil fuel usage by 50%, that he would in fact accept Bitcoin. Well, with a lot of the miners being kicked out of China and moving overseas, I think this is going to be, his timing is going to be perfect to announce it. And I also believe that Elon Musk on the 28th could announce that Tesla is also accept Doge. I think something big's going to happen. I think something big's going to happen on the 28th. If you think something big's going to happen on the 28th, send a heart mark in the comments right now. Send a heart mark in the comments. Send a heart mark in the comments right now. Woo! All right. Guys, any more super chats out there? We've had, some super chats coming. Send super chats, please. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe right now. Else I will singing. What's your name so I can include you in my prayers? Let's go. I'm going to start. All right. Hit the heart mark if you think Elon Musk is going to announce Bitcoin and Doge to buy a Tesla. Hit the heart mark. Send a heart mark right now, guys. Okay? Yeah. I see the heart mark. I'm feeling love. Buy the dips. I love you, Daryl. Let's keep the do only good energy. Absolutely, guys. Let's be positive. There's too much negativity in this world. We need to be more positive. We need to help each other. We need to love each other. We need to do everything that we can do right now to make the world a positive place. Guys, the other thing is, please take the link of this video, okay? Please take the link of this video, paste it in your Twitter, paste it in your Facebook, get the message, get the views out there, get the positive vibe out there. It's so important we do that. So my name is, Alan McCure is, my name's Daryl. Sorry, I missed it. Because it seems that a lot of my subscribers are not getting notifications, guys. Not getting notifications of my live streams. So guys, please push out the video. And if you're not getting notifications, what you can do is hit the bell notification, turn it off and turn it back on. That might help you get it. Because a lot of people are not getting notifications. It's really weird. And if you're not getting notifications after you do that, then the next thing to do is unsubscribe, then subscribe again, then hit the notification bell. Sometimes it's weird. All right, so I love it. Robert says, I watch your videos every morning. I appreciate it, Robert. Guys, I love you guys to death. Any more questions out there? Any more questions, guys? Any more super chats? Let's see. McCure, thank you, Daryl. Great content here. New here. Definitely subscribing. Thank you for. Thanks, Alan. I love you, brother. Thanks for subscribing. I just kind of, what I like to do is a couple of things. One, I want to share the crypto love, the crypto news. I want to talk about my Doge. Also, the other thing I like to do is not only talk about Doge, crypto, but I also want to, send some positive energy, send some love to you guys, despite crypto. And then the other thing I like to do is I also like to shoot my videos as much as I can outside, different locations, so you guys are not just looking at a boring studio like a lot of other YouTubers. So that way you guys, can feel a little bit of the Vietnam vibe, the mountains, the sea. So I like to do that to kind of mix it up. And I've been thinking about maybe starting another channel, which is kind of like, the Vietnam kind of Asian experience kind of thing. So if you guys would like me to start another channel, which is kind of like, the Vietnam experience, let me know. Send me a message, send me a comment, and I can start a new channel, right? Woohoo! Let's go, Doge. Let's go, Daryl. Info is always awesome. Do you mine crypto? Yeah, Robert's asking, did I mine crypto? I mined crypto for a long time. I mined BTC for about 6 years, and then about 2 years ago I stopped because it was getting more and more difficult. We had the halving. Means you got less Bitcoin reward, so I just kind of stopped it. And yeah, so woohoo! So guys, if you guys want me to start another channel that's about Vietnam and travel and all this stuff that's Vietnam related, let me know and I can open up another channel. All right, guys. Is June one of the best months? I mean, June is normally for crypto. June tends to be a slow month. July is normally better because what happens is a lot of large institutions, their employees and brokers, they tend to go on holidays. The kids are out of school, right? So there tends to be, June tends to be not a good month like people think. July tends to be a much better month. Yeah. So I think July we're going to blast off. Woohoo! Guys, I love you guys. I love all of you guys. I love you guys. I really appreciate you guys being on this crypto journey with me. I appreciate all the crypto love. I appreciate everything you guys doing because the biggest motivation for me to do these videos is you guys. Because I just love that you guys support the channel. I love all the positive comments. I even love the haters. Sometimes I get these really nasty comments. But, haters will hate, but I still love you guys. I love all you guys to death, So, guys, one last time, is there any more super chats out there? If not, we're probably going to end this live stream really soon because I gotta go out and make another video for you guys that's gonna come out at 12 noon, and in the video at 12 noon I'm gonna be talking about the Wyckoff manipulation and this and that, so I think you guys are gonna really love it. Aloha from Hawaii. I love Marjan White. I love Hawaii. I love it. Aloha. I love it. Mahalo. Yeah, I love Hawaii. So guys, I want everyone to be blessed. I love all of you to death. You guys, try to be positive. Spread the positive word. Dogecoin to the moon. I love you guys. Be blessed. Peace out. And guys, there should be a video coming out in about 2 hours. Please watch that video. Guys, after the end of the live stream, please take this video link and please paste it in your social. Get the message out for me. Diamond hands, of course. Guys, have a great day. I love all of you guys. Love. God bless each and every single one of you. Peace. Be well. And Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon. Let's get it. Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. All right, guys. Peace out. I'm out of here. Woo!